Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's the kid Matt Tanga, MATT Productions. This Community CPR Connection event was brought to us by Determined to Be Present Incorporated, a nonprofit committed to ensuring readiness in the hearts of the underserved. The life-saving instruction was led by the Soulful Heart Savers, their passionate team of certified instructors. At Community CPR Connection, they believe the life you save may be the one you love.
Because y'all are blessing me.